Hello world, it's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here's your update for Bitcoin. Guys, CoinCodex was right. They predicted us a big move to the downside, and yes, it's happening. We are going down really hard. My stop loss sold me out, and I have bloody fingers again, guys. I will show you everything about my last trade, and I will show you the next big steps. What are we waiting for? So guys, this is the Bitcoin analysis. Let's start this one now. And yes, of course, we are starting with a quick overview. Everything is going down so hard. It's amazing. The whole crypto market is going down. The biggest losers in the top 50 are Doge, ETC, and AVAX. Look at this. Doge is going down 16.5%. ETC is going down 16.4%. AVAX is going down 18%. It's moving for the moment. So these are the biggest losers for the moment. Top 50 to top 100. XTZ, HBAR, and KCS. They are going down really hard. FTM, Cake, Nexo, CRFR, everything is going down, guys. Every coin here is going down for the moment. Only OKP is going up 6%, but all other coins are going down really hard. And yes, of course, the Bitcoin price prediction was right from CoinCodex. We will watch this soon. Here is the next big update for Bitcoin. What's going on in 24 hours. And yes, look at this. We have a minus in 24 hours, about 12%. It was a big dump to the downside, and we are with very bearish 4.8 points here in a really bad position. This is showing us the technical Bitcoin score. So, okay. The next thing what we are checking is CoinCodex. They predicted us this big dump to the downside, and it was a perfect call from CoinCodex. It was a big dump to the downside. It is a big dump to the downside. Look at this, the price prediction. And here is the price prediction. They are telling us, okay, maybe we are going up here from 24,000, 23,600 up to 25 and down again 23,500. Sentiment is bearish, and the fear and greed index is showing us extreme fear in the market. We have only 10% bullish. It's really hard, guys, and 90% bearish. And yes, of course, the price prediction is not showing us a nice way. It's showing us we will go down more. Let's check this one here with show more, and let me show you what is telling us CoinCodex. Is this the bottom? Are we going down more? They are showing us we will see 23,300. They are watching, showing us 23, and this is for the moment the lowest point. But in July they are telling us we will go down to 20,000. So this is not the bottom. This is showing us CoinCodex. They are telling us we are going down more. Yes, of course, it is possible. And look at this. It was my trade from yesterday. I showed you this was my buy position. I showed you I have a stop loss under the last low, and here it stopped me out completely. We saw a little fake out, a fight here with the ribbon band. We saw 28,000. It was a really nice move to the upside, and after this the big dump followed, and yes, we went down hard. So my trade stopped me out. I have a little loss, not so much. I have bloody fingers, okay, but it is not so a big thing. I am out here from the trade, and now the big question is back in a trade now. A nice position here, 23,800 is the price here on the bottom. And let me show you if this is maybe a next nice move or not. Let's check the daily time frame. Let's move out a little bit. And guys, let's remove all drawings. Let's remove all indicators. This is the next big picture what we have. And guys, I told you, attention, we are building an M pattern, and it is still possible. I showed you this since months. M pattern, not impossible. The start of the M pattern was here on this point maybe, and this was a price about 10,000. And I told you since long time, guys, it's not impossible to see a target of 10,000. M pattern is looking like this one, and it is possible to go down here more and more. We have really big space to the downside if we are watching the daily time frame. Let's check the money flow index indicator on the day, and it is oversold on the day. It is oversold. It is possible to see a little move to the upside now. You can see everything under 20 is oversold, and we are here for 16.5. So yes, a little space to the downside, but it is possible to see a move from here to the upside. Why not? Let's check the weekly time frame. what is telling us the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, not oversold. An oversold point was here, but interesting. You can see the money flow index indicator is going up. The price is going down. We have the next divergence here on the week, and we are here about 28 points. We have still place to go down, guys. More and more. Why not? So it is dangerous. And if we are watching the weekly candles, we had one green one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candles in a row. We had one green one, and now we are going back down again with a big dump once again. Where is the next support? Let us find the next support. Let us find the next maybe buy position. For the moment, it's not looking really good. I can tell you this one, guys. It's not looking really good. If you're watching this one, deepest point, highest point, Fibonacci, something like this one. What can we see? Let's zoom in a little bit more, and now let's find the next things, the next big supports. First of all, we had a big support here on this point. It was 28,600. This was the 0.618 Fibonacci. We lost it. Now we are about to lose 25,800. You can see this with a confirmed, maybe confirmed closing candle. 6 days to close, okay? But it is really bad. And if we're going down more and more, the next one is here, the 0.786, a really important one, but look at the price. 17,600. 17,600 is the next big support, and you can see it is here on this side also. We had a long fight here with this Fibonacci line, 17,600, and you can see, yes, of course, this is maybe the next big support. If we can't fight back this one, and it does look like that we are going down more and more and more, guys. Let's draw our parallel channel to the downside, and that's one thing what I'm watching. We are in a bad downtrend, yes, of course, but we are maybe reaching really soon the bottom of this one. So the bottom is maybe here on this point, 23,300, a little bit space to the downside. Then we will see maybe a little bottom, a little fight back to 25, and not impossible to go down more and more to our Fibonacci 76. So guys, I think it's possible to see something like this one. It's not looking good if you're in a short position. Nice, guys, you have a nice call, you have a nice short position. I'm not shorting Bitcoin. I'm never shorting a running system. I'm thinking Bitcoin is in a really bad condition to the downside, but I think Bitcoin is changing the world, and it is possible. It is possible to change the world. So I never short Bitcoin, but I can short over 19 or 20,000 altcoins. So it's not a big thing. Okay, guys, that's the next thing. It is not impossible to see a next little bottom here now, 23,300 maybe, and the next move to the upside, a next little trade to the upside, but it is really dangerous for cutting your fingers here, and you have then bloody fingers like me here on this trade to the upside. So let's go a little bit deeper. What is telling us? Here is the day. The day is not telling us really big things. We have an oversold MFI. I told you this. That's maybe not bad. And look at this. We can make a line from here, from the downside over these points to the upside. And this is our support. So important. Daily time frame, money flow index indicator, RSI, oversold. Nice sign for the next move to the upside, and a big support here. Guys, we have this support line since April, and we are now hitting this support, 23,300 maybe. So it is maybe not a bad position to make a little long here to the upside, but it is always difficult to make long positions in a bear trend. That's easy, guys. That's really easy. It's easier to make short positions here on the middle line, down again. Okay. That's the big point from the daily time frame. Let's check the 4 hour. I showed you yesterday on my video on the 4 hour. We have a really bad. There it is. Death cross on the 4 hour. And we had a golden cross, a little try for move to the upside, and bam, down again, death cross, and we are going down. So also the 4 hour time frame is not looking really nice, but it is maybe the bottom. And if you are watching the MFI, you can see we have also an oversold RSI, money flow index indicator, relative strength index, whatever. We are going down here really hard with the MFI, and we are oversold. So can we move on to the upside? That's the next big question here. MFI is showing us nice signs. Support is here, maybe a next nice sign. And let's check the MACD. The MACD, oh god, it's looking really hard for our time frame. Look at this, it's going down really hard. Bottom maybe. not looking like this one, but it's not impossible on the day. Yes, and that was the big picture from yesterday. I told you guys, attention, we are buying the first red one. Now we have the second red one, and this is showing us it's possible to go down here more and more and more. The week is also not looking nice. We had a little green one here, down again, and we are buying bigger and bigger red candles to the downside. It's also not looking nice, guys. It's not looking nice. We can hope for a little bottom here and hope for a little leg to the upside, but as we can see, 17,000 possible here, and really, really soon possible. Also is telling us this one, Coin Codex, and you can see it is telling us with, let me check, the RSI is also going down. RSI 14 is going down. Here was an oversold. We are going sideways, or we went sideways. Here we are back again. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. We need here a little red one. That's a little bottom. For a moment we have it. Don't have it, guys. So guys, that's the big thing for Bitcoin. Back again to Coin Codex. And yes, of course, this is showing us we will go down more and more and more, and they are showing us we will go down maybe to 20,000. July 13th, let's watch this really quick. July 13th, let's make a price level there. July, this is the weekly time frame. Sorry, let's go a little bit deeper, daily. July 13th here on 20,000. Yes, of course, why not? That would mean we will go deeper under our parallel channel to the downside. And yes, of course, a little up, a little down. It's possible. Something like this one I drawed here on my chart picture. It's not impossible to see a little bit move to the upside. Once again, what are they predicting us? Yes, we're going up a little bit, maybe 25, 24, 24, 23, 24. And after this, down to 20,000. So not big moves to the upside, more movement to the downside is predicting us Coin Codex, and I think this is not impossible. It's maybe a nice prediction from Coin Codex. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Please visit my live stream, live 24 hours, 7 days a week. I'm always here. If you have any questions, write it in the chat and I will try to answer this. Guys, thanks. And very important, this is not a financial advice. Bye, guys.